Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add movies to my list Netflix application in computer. So how to add movies to my list Netflix application in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Netflix application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial Netflix display. Here we open My List first. Above this there is a My List menu. Well, you can see here I don't have a movie on my list yet. How to add it? Just go to the Home menu. You can search for movies or scroll down to find the movie you want to add. Here there are lots of movies from Netflix. For example, I will add this Avatar movie. To add it, move the cursor to the position of the movie that will be added to my list. Well, here several icons will appear. Here there is a plus icon, add to my list. Tap the plus icon. Well, it's automatically added to my list. To see it, we go back to my list. Well, here it can be seen. The film that I added earlier is already on my list. Adding films or series that interest you to your personal list, so you can easily find them later. This list not only serves as a storage place, but also tells Netflix about your preferences, which helps them make recommendations that are more in line with your interests. So that's it, the tutorial how to add movies to my list Netflix application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.